Welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching.
Na po natin ginagamit sa ating mga community during the assessment of our SEs. So medyo bahagyang in-assess natin doon yung ating mga O&M groups. However, we now have a new tool, the POCA tool, which will assess entirely yung capacity ng ating mga O&M groups in performing their roles. And the session number 3 is the discussion now of the roles and responsibilities of ACT, MCT, MCIT in the conduct of the POCA administration. Ngayon po, meron po bang mga parts ng mga session na medyo ano pa tayo, nalilito pa or kinakailangan pa natin i-clarify? Wala na. So we will be posting again ang ating parking wall in case po na meron kayong mga additional question na medyo nahihiya pa or hesitant pa tayong ibanggit ano po sa ating plenary ngayon. Feel free to write them down on your meta cards para mamaya during the dinner or mamaya bago kayo umuwi, nais nyo na po siyang i-post at makita ito ng ating mga resource person. So bukas, ang ating presenter for the session 4 is si Miss Donia. And before we go, I'll also be sharing with you yung ating magiging groupings for the simulation tomorrow. Okay? So, mag-ano na tayo, kumbaga, magkakaroon na tayo ng demonstration, facilitation of the POCA tool, pilot test, with our invited O&M groups, Barangay Beberon and Barangay Planza, na kumbaga, hindi naman siguro gigisahin Sir Chano. Oo, hindi naman gigisahin. So sila po ang ating magiging, kumbaga, model in terms of how we will be doing our assessment ng mga support na pwede pa nating maibigay, lalong-lalo na sa ating invited na mga groups. So tutulungan na natin si Barangay Beberon and Barangay Planza to see which parts or key areas ang kinakailangan pa nila ng assistance. Anong parts or key areas ba yung kinakailangan pa nating mas i-enhance pa sa kanilang O&M group. So hindi naman gigisahin ito. Baka hindi na tuloy ganahan yung ating dalawang mga O&M group. So wag naman. So, ayan. If there are no more questions, do we have additional information po from Ms. Donia and Sir Chano? Wala na. Okay, perhaps Ms. Donia, we can now present, we can now present the groupings, okay, for tomorrow. And also, later po before we have the groupings, we'll also be distributing already the POCA tool. Magpapa-assist po sana ako kay Mr. Chano and Jazz to distribute our POCA tool now. Ayan, para makita na natin. Ano po yung sinasabi ni Sir Chano kanina na magkakaroon kayo ng constellation, line graph actually siya, sa last page ng ating POCA tool. Okay, so you may get one copy po para meron kayong reference.
Dahil pala nag-iba siya. Treasurer complex.
Tulo lang ba kayo yan?
So, yan po yung POCA tool. 7 pages po yan. Yan. With different indicators. So, i-distribute namin sa inyo ngayon because you will have your tasking, para lahat po kayo magiging, kumbaga, interviewers doon sa ating O&M group. Ayan. Yung O&M group po, yung ating star for tomorrow during the simulation. So, you will be divided into 2 groups. Magbe-breakout po tayo. Yung isang grupo po doon sa kabilang hall, yung isang grupo po maiiwan dito. So, parang magkakaroon tayo ng focus group discussion. And kaya namin yan didistribute is para din po yung mga interviewers for each indicator, kasi igugrupo natin kayo, na lahat po kayo is maging interviewers. So, pipili kayo mamaya, pag na-groupings na namin kayo, pipili kayo kung sino yung inyong main facilitator. So, sabi nga natin doon sa roles and functions, our main facilitator is the MC. So, bukas, during the simulation, yung MC din po natin, yung magiging main facilitators for the activity. Okay? So, pipili kayo dyan kung ano yung indicators na maa-assign sa inyo as the interviewer para po dun sa group kung saan kayo naka-assign. And i-discuss pa din naman po natin yan tomorrow. Before we start the simulation, iisa-isahin ko po yung kada indicator po dyan po sa ating POCA tool. So, yun lang po, Sky, for the groupings.
Anong name ng organization natin? Kung maalam.
Yung magata, oh.
Yung sub-project natin, ano yung water plan.
Liberon water.
We'll have Team A with Barangay Beberon and Team B with Barangay Plaza. So the O&M groups will become or will act as the respondents, okay, during the POCA administration. So you expect that when you conduct the POCA administration yourself sa atin ng mga municipalities or communities, ang mga O&M groups natin who will be participating will be our main respondents. Ano po? So sila yung kumbaga mag-act as respondents natin for the FGD. Now, you will be divided into 8 groups. So already ano na siya na grupo na po namin kayo. So Team A will stay doon sa kabilang hall, Flaviano 1. Ito lang po sa katabi. And then, Team B will be staying here sa Flaviano 2. Now, we have already identified 2 MSIT members per team who will serve as facilitators. Na-mention ito kanina ni Sir Chano that MSITs will be the facilitators of the POCA administration. Kaya, we have already identified the facilitators per team. So, the rest of you, yung mga hindi po facilitators, you will act as the interviewers. Everybody will act as interviewers. And you will be assigned a key area to concentrate on. So as you can see, dito po sa ating POCA tool, we have already identified 7 areas. Okay? So, kayo po yung magfo-focus dito sa mga key areas and you will act as the interviewers. You will ask questions sa ating mga O&M groups who are our respondents. Malinaw po? Ayan. And all other members, while yung isa is asking question, pwede po yung iba will serve as observers and they will be in charge also of checking yung mga MOVs or yung mga documents na dala-dala ng ating mga O&M groups. Pwede din pong ganun ang ating strategy. Okay? So, malinaw po, because we have requested our O&M groups to bring with them yung kanilang mga documents as support. Kung sakaling meron kayong hindi na mga MOVs, evidence, or documents as proof. So, the selection of area for the interview will be based on the discretion of the training team. We have already identified yung ating grouping. So, allow me to share with you ang ating groupings.
Ayaw ko yan. Basta related lang naman sa related sa barangay.
Have some feedback or comments as to how we will administer the POCA. So please reserve your observations towards the end of our simulation activity. Okay po? Malinaw? Ayan. So, kung wala na pong tanong,
Kailangan pati itong
So, time check is 4:17. So we still have the time. Perhaps you can go ahead and then meet with your mga teammates sa mga key areas natin. Ayan.
Anong pamangkin?
We intentionally, kumbaga ano talaga,